So today I am trying to get back on track. This is the week that I'm finally finishing my medications. So I'm feeling much better and I have way more energy to, study and be able to focus on my studies. So right now, as you guys saw me doing earlier, I'm making a to-do list on my Notion, and I am also going through my emails. I just replied that one. I have some packages waiting for me that I have to review when I go back to US. I'm going to review my analytics later and see, how to achieve my goals and all that. So I'm going to expand a little on this one. It is currently 11 a.m. so it's time for me to do a block of Uworld. I'm gonna do a timed block with 40 questions and then I will review it. Just finished a block of Uworld test and I did very bad, you guys. Actually, I did way better than expected because I thought I was gonna get like less than 20%, but this is not so bad. I'm not mad at it. I'm mad, but I'm not that mad. Plus, like when I was starting to, study, I was told I'm gonna fail a lot of questions. Doesn't mean I'm dumb. It just means I need to take my test taking to the next level. So, yeah. I'm just happy I don't have this. I'm happy I don't have this at all. And I want to keep it that way for it to always be zero. I'm not changing my answer from correct to incorrect. Incorrect, correct, yes. This one, I need to change to this one. So, behavioral science, not bad. Biochemistry, damn. Biostats. Microbiology is good. Genetics, mild. Histology, good. Immunology, mid. But microbiology expected that one, I'm not gonna lie. My pathology is way too good. Why? Why did I get 4? But then again, my diagnostic skill is actually good. It's just my pharmacology is horrible. Look at see. Yo, look at this. My pharmacology is really bad. Physiology, bad as well. I know that one. But yeah. I'm not mad, you guys. I'm not really mad. I'm gonna take the next 2 hours to review this one and then we'll continue.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
is currently 9:30 p.m. I was able to do 40 blocks of questions, and I'm still reviewing those ones. Just like it has not been easy because my mom keeps calling me, and I just keep getting distracted. I keep getting distracted and distracted and distracted. It's just not working. So I'm gonna do some flashcards and not anki. I'm doing first aid flashbacks. So I'm gonna do that for tonight and for the next 30 minutes, and then go to bed by 10 so I can wake up early and study. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. So I'm trying to study, but the Wi-Fi is down. Is this a sign for me to go to bed? Is this a sign? Oh my god. The Wi-Fi has been down since actually. I think that's why I actually stopped studying earlier. The Wi-Fi has just been misbehaving. I don't know what the issue is. Maybe I need to get like a subscription or something. It's not time for me to subscribe yet, so man, man, it's stressing me out. Okay guys, since the Wi-Fi is down and I'm not able to do my questions or even watch just like lectures, I'm gonna read the Atomic Habits book and just call it a night and just sleep.